fell softly on the treehouse roof. The girl and her animal friends sat in silence, wishing they could play outside. Then, the girl had an idea. She smiled, gathered pillows and blankets, and pointed to the empty space inside. Together, they built a cozy tent fort, warm, glowing, and full of magic. Laughter returned as they snuggled in, sharing snacks and happy giggles. The girl opened a storybook and read aloud. The bunny, the cat, and the puppy listened quietly. Even rainy days can hold the brightest surprises. Thanks for watching. See you next time.